everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Missy B London. Welcome. If you are new, the red button should be down here, or it should be down there. Click on it, press the bell next to it as well. I welcome new subscribers to my channel, and if you're returning, thank you for returning. Let's get into it. It's been a while since I've actually talked to the camera like this. Most of the time I do podcasts, talk to the microphone, that's it, I'm not on camera. But I'm doing this video because it's been long waiting since I've had these products from since September, and we are now in I'm laughing, but it's just so bad, but I am now in November. So I thought, let me just do this video so I don't forget, or next thing you know, this will be coming out next year, but hopefully not. But yeah, let me give you the backstory. Yeah, ASIAM are a good natural hair care, hair product brands. I know them, I like them, I've used some of their products in the past. I've been to some of their natural hair events as well, brunches, what do you call these things, workshops, when they talk about the products and show you how to do certain styles, give you more knowledge about the products and all that as well. I follow them on Instagram, where I found out about this thing right now. You know me, if you don't see me on YouTube, yeah, I'm on Instagram like most of the time, hence why I'm saying that it's a rare thing I'm actually doing a talking video right now, because usually if I put a video out on YouTube, it is voiceover as I'm doing the hairstyle or whatever I'm doing in the video, and I do voiceover afterwards. But now I'm just doing a face-to-face thing or face-to-camera thing, and it's like, yeah. But yeah, yes, ASIAM, like I say, I follow them on Instagram, and earlier on in the year, they were saying about they're looking for super fans. Yeah, super fans, people that love ASIAM as a brand, use their products, go to their events. Super fans. So I applied for it, did what I had to do, and then I think summertime I got the email to let me know that yes, I have been successful in being a super fan, and that our first meeting, our meetup, shall I say, we will meet all the other naturalistas, meet the person that organised the event as well, plus other people as well that are knowledgeable on the products, letting us know how to use them, what is in them, all that ting. That meeting was in September, late September, and look at me, I took so long to show you the bag in the first place, but let me show you the bag right now. And I've got a bag full of goodies, yeah? Look at that, it's blocking the camera. Can you see the ASIAM bag? Yes, you can. And look at the little, look at this, even though it's not my full name, but can you see that? Missy B. That's so nice, isn't it? For real. But yeah, I'm going to talk through, I'm going to show you what I got in the bag. Yeah, and just let you know about the things that I got in the bag. So yeah, shall I get into it? Yes, I should. Let me show you a little sneak peek. A sneak peek, you know. Hey, sneak peek before they all fall out. There you go. A sneak peek into what is in the bag. As you know, ASIAM has a wide range of products, specializing in different kind of hair types. So if you suffer from dry and itchy scalp, they've got that new range out right now. It's been out from this year. Yeah, it has. They've got a new range, the Jamaica Black Castor Oil range, which will be coming to the UK. I'm in the UK, yeah, so it'll be in the UK next year, of course, because we're in November now. But yeah, I've got this, the core collection. I've received the Long and Luxe collection, which I'll do another video on that as well, the ones with the red label. The core collection is one with the brown label, but let me get into the bag because I'm talking too much, ain't I? Lardy. The first thing I take out is the cleansing pudding. And I've used all these products, so thank goodness for that as well, hence why the little delay, because you know me and products. But the cleansing pudding it is not, it's got no sulfates in it. It didn't foam up too much, but it's a cleansing pudding. It's not like a normal shampoo that foams up a lot. This is like a cleansing, conditioning shampoo. Yeah, I'm saying pudding shampoo. It's supposed to be like a shampoo, but they call it cleansing pudding. But yeah, nice and soft, made my hair feel soft, smells nice as well. I think I'm gonna add in some inserts about each product, because off my head right now, I don't know off my head because I've got a bad memory. But yeah, I don't know if you can see how far. Oh, you can. There it is. I've used that much so far. So I have, like I said, I've used the product, yeah? Yes, let me get that out there. The next one is the Hydration Elation Intensive Conditioner. You know I like a deep conditioner, yeah? Look, look. Look at me going, look, look. Look at that. And shall I open it up for you? Look at this, yeah. I've nearly finished it. Look, look at that. I like to put a lot of product on my head when I'm doing deep conditioning. Let me move that on my face. I like to put a lot of product on my head when I'm doing deep conditioning, and I like to use my hair bonnet, hair dryer attachment to add heat to my head when I'm doing deep conditioning as well. Next thing I got is the detangling conditioner. Here it is. Similar to a leave-in conditioner, does the same kind of job, but I guess it helps detangle my hair more, and I like it. It's moisturizing as well. Hopefully it's picking up on the camera. Can you see how much I've used? Yes, because I can see it on the camera, like there. So I have used them, like I said. But yeah, I like it. All the products smell nice as well. All the products have been good on my hair. No issues so far. So that's... Next is the coconut co-wash. I've only used it once so far. I've been a bit funny using co-washes, but my tip now, or what I like to do now, let me just show you this first. Let me show how much I've used, even though it would even, you can't really tell, but it has gone down a little bit. So yeah. But yeah, my tip that I do now, I use another brand, apple cider vinegar rinse. I do that in my hair first just to give it a little bit more, open my scalp a little bit, refresh it, rehydrate it, whatever it does to my hair, and then I put this in my hair afterwards. Co-wash, you know what you do with a co-wash, you put it in your hair, you can detangle it when it's in your hair as well. You can detangle your hair when it's in your hair as well. Leave it in for a little bit, like a couple of minutes, wash it out. Then I can still deep condition with the Hydration Elation Intensive Conditioner as well. So yes, for that. How much time? Yeah. The next thing I got is the Twist Defining Cream. This is a styling product. Lovely styling product. I've used it a couple of times. Actually, I've used it to get this twist out right now. And that video will come out hopefully after this video or before this video. I'm not quite sure. I'm a bit random putting out videos sometimes, but yeah. As you can see. Hopefully, oh, shall I do that test? If it came out on me right now, oh Lord, that would be just too funny. But yeah, that's the Twist Defining Cream. The next thing is the Double Butter Cream. It is, you know, a moisturizing cream on my hair as well. There it is, it's picked it up. I must admit, I've used more of the Twist Defining Cream than I have of this cream. But they, oh God, I can smell it. It smells lovely as well. But yeah, I've only done twist out styles on my hair so far as well. So I need to do more styles on my hair and see how it comes out. But I like the way my hair feels moisturized using all the styling products in my hair so far. Feels good. Twists come out good. I must admit, when I do the flat twist in my hair, I'm making the sections a little bit too big. So next time I do a twist out, I make the sections a little bit smaller to get more definition, but I still like how this came out. So yay. Wait. Yes, had to come back there. This camera's too funny for its own good. But yeah, let me continue. I've got 7 products all together, yeah. You know, actually I have talked about this product, because I got it a couple of years ago at a hair event as well. The Cocoa Shea Spray, because it felt so good in my hair. Moisturizes my hair, has coconut oil in it. Even though I said I was a bit funny with coconut oil and that thing, yeah, but my hair seems to be okay with this, so I don't mind. It has shea oil in it as well. Shea butter, shea oil. I can't read right now because I've got typical bad eyes. Yeah, and shea. It's not shea butter, but shea. But yeah, this lovely bottle right here. I use it when I finish styling my hair, I spritz it in my hair in the beginning actually. After I've washed my hair, rinsed my hair, conditioned my hair, when I'm prepping my hair for the hairstyle and when I've styled my hair. Can you see it? Hopefully you can. Hopefully, I'm not sure how far. Does it show? I can't even tell myself actually. But yeah, it's somewhere there. Like I said, I've used it anyway. So yeah, those are the lovely 7 products that I got. Some of them were for the hair routine and some of them were styling products as well. What else did I get in this lovely bag? I got this. I've not opened it yet because you guys know that I've got the previous one that I've already been using that I got from eBay. It is another hair bonnet hair dryer attachment. This one looks good as well, but because the one I'm using right now is still good, I'm all good, yeah. But thank goodness I've got another one, so when that one goes bad, I got this one. But yeah, what else did I get? Oh yeah. If you saw my video on Instagram, I got a t-shirt as well. And I'm wearing the t-shirt when I did my Instagram video of me unbagging. Look. Can you see what it says? As I am. Let me move back. As I am. And then that's what it says at the back of it. And I can't read from the side. I can read from here actually. Living a life beautifully made to be just as I am. There you go. There you go. A lovely t-shirt. And a couple more things. A microfiber towel. I have not used a microfiber towel in my life, and when I use this, I noticed a difference using it because it absorbed the water in my hair much more quickly, and it was, yeah, it's very good. Look, there's the logo on it. This is the lovely towel. Decent size, ain't it, as well? I've used this a couple of times. You wouldn't know it because it's so clean still. Literally, because it's a white towel, but it's so clean still. So yeah, towel it is. And one more thing. This is why I should have done this video like earlier on, because I will let you guys know about an event that's happening in November. We're in November now and they've already sold out. So yeah. Yes, I'm back. My camera is old. My camera is playing with me. The battery was low and it just went funny. This is the last bit of the video anyway. Like I was saying, if I recorded the video earlier, you guys could have known about the event they're gonna have in November, but I apologize for that. But they also have hair events all over the world, in Europe, America, and other locations. If you follow them on Instagram, you'll see where they're gonna be next. But yeah, this is the event that I am going to, of course. It is the Curls and Brunch on Sunday, the 17th of November. Like I said, this month. Oh, wow. Is it this weekend or next weekend? I don't even know, Lord. I think it's this weekend. My gosh. But yeah. What else did I get? A lovely mirror, as you can see, a lovely pen. I didn't even open it, because I'm all about the hair products. But yeah, a lovely nope. Oh, will this camera pick it up though? Nope, because this camera just likes to be annoying on me as well. Lovely notepad. You can write your notes on, you know what you gotta do, that kind of thing. A pen. Let's do that clicky sound. Wait, can I see the logo? Can I find, I don't know, the camera will pick it up again. Oh, it has. Yay. It's not that loud, is it? Literally, I'm saying that the clicking sound is not that loud. Am I annoying you now? Am I annoying you? Hopefully I'm not. And because I've already got a pocket mirror, but this will come in handy for the future. This one, can you see the logo on it? And yeah, there you go. La 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 la, yes. My face is shiny as usual, but hey, what can I do? Hair is still looking good. yeah, that's what I got. All of those products in this lovely bag right here. Bag. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video that I will do, show you what I got for the Long and Lux collection. If I don't say it, if I don't think I've said it in the video, all these things were gifted to me. I didn't buy them. Come on, you know that I'm on budget right now, so I can't be buying all these lavish stuff. But yeah, they was gifted to me. I'll put that somewhere at the bottom of the video as well, just in case and everything. But yeah, thank you for watching. Any questions and everything, because I have got this book. Even though I didn't really say much about each product, I have got this lovely book here, and it shows you. It shows you. Let me see. As you can see there, there's a product. The double buttercream hair moisturizer. And hopefully this camera picks it up. I'm not quite sure if it can or it has. There's information about it. I know at the bottom it has the ingredients. I'm not sure if it's picking it up on this camera. But yeah, and how to use it and the benefits as well and what it does. So I'm in the know with these products. I'm laughing, that laugh is a bit but I'm happy that I finished this video now though. Thank you for watching anyway. I know it was kind of quick or kind of long, or I didn't get into detail about each product, but as I go along with using the products, I'll do videos here, there and everywhere. If not on YouTube, it will be on Instagram. Same name, Missy B London on Instagram. If you made it this far, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you've watched my other videos if you're new as well. And what else? Come back soon. Hey. But yeah, come back soon. Like I say, thank you for watching. Goodbye. You know. I begin to